Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. The problem is that your Instagram feed is not loading. Just like that, I'm going to go to my Instagram and just go back and just see that, go to main center, and just like that my Instagram is working properly, but in your case it's saying that Instagram is not showing feed, just like that. And you want to fix that issue. First of all, you have to go to that settings and just go to settings and just go to the main section of your iPhone settings, just like that. And to have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. If you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, then connect with the strong Wi-Fi connection. So if you have a low Wi-Fi connection, just like that, I have a weak security, so, and I also have a weak not too much fast Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna connect with the fast one, and my internet is good one, so I'm gonna connect with the Wi-Fi. After that, just scroll down and just go to general, just tap on it, and let's go to software, just tap on it and update to the latest iOS version of your iPhone. So my iPhone is not the updated iPhone and not on the latest iPhone, so I'm not gonna update the latest latest iOS version 18.4 जो भी है and 18.1 version. So I'm gonna not update to the latest iOS version. So if you have a latest iPhone, just update to the latest iOS 18.4 version. After that, just scroll down and just go to the transfer reset button, just tap on it and just tap reset and just wait for a second and just go the reset network settings, just tap on it and just reset the network settings. After that, just go back and just go to general and just go to the iPhone storage, just tap on it and just go to the Instagram and just upload app and again install it from here. So your problem gonna fix. So that's it, video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.